And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a basketball icon. Let's start with an ellipse. Hold Ctrl and you've got a circle. I'll click on the X to get rid of the fill, then I hold Shift, click on black color swatch to have a stroke. We need the snapping enabled, and also the snapping for the center of the object. Press Ctrl R if you can't see rulers, and then drag this guide out of there. We also need snap to paths, and then we can draw this line with the Bezier tool. Activate the nodes tool, select this node, go to the right hand side while holding Ctrl. Then we delete the guide, and this is what we've got. I'll create another line, left click on your circle, hold Ctrl when you go downwards, left click again. Now use the nodes tool. Hover over your line until you see this hand icon, and then you can create a curvature. Ctrl D on your circle to copy it, reposition it, and you want to transform it a little bit. Again, Ctrl D, transform it a little bit. You want to be sure that the distance to the middle line is somewhat the same for the top and the bottom circle. Then copy the center circle with Ctrl D, hold Shift, click on the top circle, so this is what I've got selected. Then path and intersection. We'll do the same for the bottom part, so Ctrl D for the center circle, hold Shift, select them both, path intersection. Select it all, object, fill and stroke, go to stroke style, adjust the width. If you now select it and give it a fill, you run into a little bit of a problem as I've used the intersection. To solve that, let me press Ctrl Z. I copy this entire element, so I've got two. I give this a fill, and then I put it to the bottom. I'll select it all again, and now I hold Shift, click on like an orange color swatch, and that solves the problem. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.